This video demonstrates how to run Ollama on a Mac system. With Ollama, you can run powerful large language models entirely on your local system. No internet or cloud connectivity needed after the installation. The first step is to go to the website ollama.com. This is the official site to download Ollama. Here you will find the links for different operating systems. We will download the application for Mac. Once the application has been downloaded, we are going to unzip the application and it will unzip to give us the Ollama application. Click on the Ollama application and allow it to be run on your system. We can also move it to the applications folder. Ollama has been installed on your system and you can check it in the status area.